One of the greatest mysteries of humanity is that of the birth of our universe, and modern science is on the brink of solving this mystery.
At the International Scientific Center Joint Institute for Nuclear Research in Dubna, about 100 kilometers north of Moscow, by the efforts of 26 countries, an enormous, unique physical facility is being built. It is called the Superconducting Collider NICA. This facility will enable matter, which we are all made of, to be studied in a lab in its extreme states, the very states it was at the earliest stage of the emergence of our universe.
Since ancient times, people have admired the starry sky, made wishes under the stars, declared their love to each other, lived and died. The most inquisitive minds tried to perceive how many stars shine up there, how far they are from us. Then they invented the telescope to see the stars better. People were looking for constellations in the sky and gave them beautiful names. The stars guided travelers and were essential in making horoscopes. I think many of you looking at thousands and thousands of stars in the night sky have asked yourselves questions like, where did it all come from? How does our universe work? Scientists have also been looking at the starry sky. They have high-powered telescopes at their disposal and can see hundreds of billions of galaxies and star clusters, and know that each of the galaxies contains hundreds of billions of stars. They observe old stars exploding and new stars being born, and see that everything in the universe is in constant motion. And of course, scientists are preoccupied with the same questions. What do stars and planets consist of? What are black holes and quasars? What is dark matter and dark energy? They are trying to figure out how our world was formed, how old it is, and what its dimensions in space are.
What are we made of? And what is all around us? What are the elementary bricks of matter? Why are we the way we are? How was the universe born? How did it evolve? How were the stars and galaxies that surround us formed? How are we and the universe going to evolve? Science can answer all these questions. Fundamental science is essential for an educated, highly developed society. It is the level of fundamental science that serves as the indicator of how well a society is developed. Fundamental science produces important results for humankind. It is most valued for the new knowledge it gives. We obtain new knowledge when we explore the world around us, when we conduct various experiments, and when we try to reach and learn something new. If there is a goal to reach, it is in human nature to reach it at any cost, be it the summit of Everest, the South, or the North Pole. To achieve this, we need to develop technology. And by now, over just several hundreds of years of active scientific research, we have tamed electric and nuclear energy. We use the internet, mobile communications, GPS devices. We fly into space. We go miles deep in the ocean. And all these technologies, all these new possibilities, have been obtained thanks to fundamental research.
The 20th century is undoubtedly the age of physics. The development of physics over the 20th century has completely changed the quality of life on our planet. This includes nuclear power and lasers, space traveling to other planets of the solar system, radio, television, internet, smartphones, and tablet PCs. Can you imagine your life without all of this? It seems to me you can't. But this is only one way to look at the achievements of modern science. one side of the coin. The other side of the coin is the formation of a modern worldview. For the first time in the history of humanity, it became possible to combine the physics of microcosm and the physics of macrocosm to find the elementary bricks of matter, quarks, electrons, neutrinos, and to start studying how these tiny particles, being billions of times less than a meter, formed our immense universe.